Hello and welcome to PA Academy. So in this video, I'll be sharing with you some of the best online software testing courses. And these are courses that actually comes with certificates. So either you're a software developer and you want to improve your development skills in software testing as a software developer, or you just want to specialize in software testing so that you can offer it as a service, then do make sure you watch this video to the end, because I'm going to be sharing with you a combination of both free courses and paid courses that you can get started with to improve your knowledge on what software testing is all about. And to make it much more easier, I'm going to be leaving the link to all of the courses that I'll be sharing with you in the description of this video, so that you can click on them and then you can go straight to the video and start watching the videos on software testing. So before we get into it, if you are new to PA Academy or you are yet to subscribe to the channel, kindly take out time to click on the subscribe button. You'll find it at the lower right of your screen or just below the video. You see the option there to subscribe. So kindly do that right now. Okay, so thank you very much if you have not, if you have just subscribed, and if you are yet to, please just click on that subscribe button. It's absolutely free to subscribe to the channel. So now let's get into the video. So I want to talk about software testing. If you come on Google now and search for the word software testing, you probably come up with something like this. It says, I'm saying software testing ensures that software works properly, meets users' needs, and it is free from problem. From the word itself, the word itself is self-explanatory. So if you look at this, what is software testing? It is a process of evaluating and verifying that the software product or application does what it is supposed to do. Exactly. And now that we have a lot of apps, a lot of software every now and then the demand for software testers is also on the rise. So picking it up as a service or as a career as a software tester, or you're a software developer and you want to improve your software testing skills, this will also be of help. So now let's start with the free course. Like I said, I'm going to be looking at a combination of both free courses and paid courses that has to do with software testing. So the first one is an introduction to software testing. So yeah, it says learn about the principles and methodologies used in software testing with this free online course. So this short description here, it says this free online software testing course will familiarize you with the principle behind softwares and why it is so important for software development. Said by the end of this course, you will understand software testing processes, how to identify when to begin testing during a project's development, verification and validation within testing, and different levels of software test. This free online course will help you grow your skill as a developer. Okay, so if you look at this particular course now, it has 42,000 learners already enrolled for this course, and then it's a 1 to 3 hours course, so it's not that long. 3 hours course, I don't think it's a very long hour course. And then in this course, you will learn, so these are the things you will learn to distinguish between verification and validation process in testing, describe the different level of testing software. You will learn to list methods that can be used to reduce errors in software programs, discuss the pesticide effect testing software, describe unit testing and when it is performed, identify the main approaches to designing a test case. Okay, so now let's look at the course modules. So it's divided into three. The first one is introduction to levels of testing, and then we have basic concepts in testing and unit testing. So if you're on this page, if you click on this arrow, you're going to see all of the topics under each of the modules. But once you're on this page, if you get started, it will take you from module 1 to module 2, one step at a time. So once you're on this page, if you have to get started, you find a link on the description in the description. So once you click on it and you're on this page and you want to get started with the course, so just click here, start course now. You can use this button here, click on start course now, and then you get started with the course. So once you are done with all of the modules and you complete the course assessment, and then you're able to pass the course assessment, you'll be able to get your certificate. Like I said, all of these courses comes with certification of completion. All right. So if you look at the reviews, I'm thrilled. Excellent course covering the fundamental of software testing. So this is one course that you might want to consider if you are really interested in taking up a career or the service of a software tester. All right, so let's look at the second one. The second one is a diploma course, which is diploma in software testing. So this is a little more advanced than the previous one I shared with you. So this says get advanced knowledge and specialized skills in software testing using the online software testing course, Okay, so you can see this has even more learners enrolled. This 53,000 learners already enrolled. And this is 10 to 15 hours of learning. So you should be expecting more in-depth information and knowledge on what software testing is all about. So these are the things that you are going to be learning. So once you come on this page, you're going to see them. Discuss the use of equivalence class testing, describe the pesticide effect in testing software, identify the main approaches to designing a test case, discuss what data flow testing involves. Okay, so now let's look at the course module. This has a total of 11, including the course assessments. So I think there are 3 altogether. This is the second assessment. The first assessment will be somewhere in between. Okay, so you can see you must score 80% or more to pass this assessment. Exactly. So this assessment is just to make sure that you've understood what was taught in the previous modules. Then you can continue with other modules. And at the end of everything, also, this also is offering you a certificate. That's all. So if you to get started with this, so once you're on this page, does the same process. You click on Start Course Now, and then you are in the course already. Okay, so once you are done with the first one, you can go ahead to the second course. Like in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 4 courses, 2 free and 2 paid. So there's nothing wrong with you taking up all the courses. You are definitely going to learn something new, something unique from all of these courses. But do make sure you check out this first one, which is more like in the introduction to software testing. Exactly. So to give you that foundation on what software testing is all about, then you can proceed to other ones. Okay, so now let's go to the third one. So if you are finding value in this, please give the video a thumbs up. Click on that thumbs up button to give the video a thumbs up. Now let's go to the third one. So here is the paid course. So the complete 2024 software testing bootcamp. So why this is saying 2024, it's a course that is updated regularly. It was updated the same month when I was doing this video, which is late 2024. So in case you are watching it after 2024, just look out for the when it was updated, and then you know that the course will still be relevant, and because it is updated regularly. So with a rating of 4.6 and a bestseller with 31,000 ratings so far, so everything you need to learn about software testing begin your career as a quality assurance specialist. So let's see what you will learn: basic concept of software testing, implementing the test process on test management tools, white box testing techniques, how to become a freelance tester. So if you want to offer software testing as a service, this course also have some information for you. That means you don't actually need to be a software developer before you can become a software tester. So that's one thing you also need to take note. So test case and bug report writing, how to prepare a QA, how to prepare for a QA interview. So if you're taking up a role as a software tester, and what are the things you should expect in an interview as a job, as a software tester. So all of these will be addressed in this course. So the course includes a 35 hours on-demand video, 8 articles, 3 downloadable resources. You have access on mobile and TV, and then you're going to get certificates of completion. Exactly. So the certificates of completion will also help in your resume. Okay. So now let's take a look at the course content. There are about 35 sections altogether. So, and 389 lectures, all in this 35 hours, 11 minutes. So what about the requirement? No prior knowledge about the field is required. So what you just need: basic computer and mobile using skill. So you need to be able to use them as an end user, good knowledge of English language. Exactly, that's because the video is actually in English, but it's also available in other language, like you can see here. But as a paid course, since it's a paid course, you can course actually costs $15.99. That's approximately $16 for this course. Okay, so if you want to take it up, you might just need to take note of that. Okay, so here is the third course. So now let's look at the last course that I'll be recommending on software testing. So this is the fourth one and the last one I'll be recommending on software testing. So practical software testing, so that's manual plus Jira plus API plus DB plus Selenium. So practical manual testing, bug reporting, and task management with Jira. Database testing, Selenium with Python. Okay, so what are you going to learn in this course? Basic to expert level Python programming for automation, ready to develop data-driven and PDD framework using Selenium Python. Okay, so this is a pretty long one. That's 97.5 hours of on-demand video. You're going to be taking a practical test, 13 articles. You have 3 downloadable resources. You can actually access on mobile and TV. Then you're going to be getting certificates of completion. So here is the course content, about 48 sections, and then 365 lectures. So look at software testing basic concepts, and then working with bugs, defects, different types of testing. So all of these are what you are going to be learning in this course once you pick it up. And talking about pricing, this course costs $11.99. So the price might be different, depending where and when you are accessing the site from. So, but currently this is $11.99. That's 84% off. So you might be lucky to get a better offer when checking it out. But trust. So with that, guys, these are the 4 courses that comes highly recommendable in as a software testing enthusiast. So if you're interested in picking up a career as a software tester, do make sure you check out all of these 4 courses that I've just shared with you. Like I said, I'm going to leave a link to it in the description of this video. So if you cannot start with the paid course, do make sure you get started with the free courses. It will give you the much needed foundation that you need in the field of software testing. So I hope you find value in this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any question or any thoughts for me, do let me know in the comment section below. So with that, guys, I wish you success in your journey as a software tester. Thank you very much, and bye for now.